Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. It's been a while and I have a really quick unboxing to share with you. This came from Tia's Grow Cabinet. Oh, look at that. I tell you, it's always a delight to order from Tia. Because look, who does that? It's beautiful. I almost don't want to unpack it because it's like perfect. Isn't that lovely? Thank you, Tia. I hope you're watching this unboxing. I'll definitely send you a message. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. So adorable. Look at that. There we go, guys. Tia's Grow Cabinet on Etsy. This is a wish list, Hoya. That wish list is getting longer and longer. Oh, look how adorable. There's a little clip there. And a little stake. I love these acrylic stakes. I may have to order some for my shop. But this right here, oh, I wish you could smell it. Thank you, Tia. I made such a big deal out of that last time I got a package from her, and it included the lavender. It's just such a wonderful touch, and I love ladybugs. That's adorable. Aw. Yep. And here on Instagram, she's at Kawaii Crops, the K instead of an H. I like that. That's really nice. Thank you so much, Tia. I keep sniffing the lavender, holding you guys up. Let me get to the unboxing. Look how thoughtful. Oh, so nice. Nice little cushion in the bottom. Very nicely done, thank you. And as you guys know, I save these things. I'm sorry. Sorry, Coco. I just scared my cat. I'm sorry. Did I make you jump? That's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Trying to get back to posting some videos again. Hopefully you guys will be patient with me. I've been so busy recently that I haven't been able to keep up with my old routine, but such is life. Okay, are you ready? Look at that. I tell you, I never have to worry about the plants when I order from Tia because they're always so well packaged. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Oh, look how perfect this is. Oh my goodness. And look, I like the way that's a nice little touch to keep it in place. And it has a little bit of roots going on here. This is Wilbur Grave Silver. Oh, that is so adorable. I'm not sure what that is, but it's starting to look a little like a peduncle, but that's probably wishful thinking on my part. What do you think? Hope you guys can see it. It's not too washed out. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This was definitely worth it. Thank you so much, Tia. It's a beautiful cutting. And I ordered some of these. Mine are a little bit bigger. I like this size. But yeah, I ordered some of these because I think I'm going to start offering some cuttings. Somebody asked one day and she was interested in a bundle of cuttings. So I might start doing that, but I want to make sure they're in water and hopefully that they don't leak. But this looks nice and snug. I love it. Thank you so much. Beautiful. I highly recommend, guys, Tia's Grow Cabinet on Etsy. and she is located in New York. So it came very fast. I put the order in the other night and it's here. I'll have to save this. Thank you so much, Tia, for your thoughtful packaging, and I'll be back maybe real soon. I was eyeing something else on her shop. So yeah, guys, definitely check her out. Tia's Grow Cabinet, and on Instagram at Kawaii Crops. There you go. Thank you again, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye.